HTA series Teach Pendant supports multiple operating systems. The Teach Pendant consists of multiple accessories, and there are multiple models to choose from. The LCD screen size is 3.5 inches, and the touchscreen is a reinforced 4-wire resistive screen. The first introduction is the membrane key. The layout is shown in the video. The button has a top plate and the light can reach 1 million times. The size, pattern and number of buttons can be customized as shown in the figure or other accessories and introductions of our standard model Teach Pendant. The safety switch and USB port are on both sides of the Teach Pendant. Please see the introduction in the video for details. The backstrap design of the Teach Pendant makes it more comfortable and convenient to hold. The outlet is located under the Teach Pendant. The length and material can be customized according to your needs. Each of our products will be equipped with a junction box. On each junction box, there is a wiring definition corresponding to the model of the Teach Pendant. You only need to connect the wires in your controller to the corresponding green terminals according to the wiring definition and diagram. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products, please visit our website or contact the email in the video. Looking forward to your cooperation.